Hello everyone, welcome to Sodasa classes. This is problem from the GATE 2026 from the differential equation. This is a standard problem. So given differential equation is 2x into x minus 2 square dy by dx square plus 3x dy by dx plus x minus 2 into y. So given differential equation can be written as d2y by dx square plus 3x by 2x into x minus 2 square dy by dx plus x minus 2 2x x minus 2 square to y also 0. That means this can be finally written as d2y by dx square plus 3 2 into x minus 2 square dy by dx plus 1 by 2x x minus 2 into y also 0. So compare this equation with d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy equals to 0. We get p equals to 3 by 2 into x minus 2 square and q is 1 by 2x by x minus of 2. Now we see that as x tends at as x equals to 2, p and q both are undefined. Both are undefined, defined. So obviously, therefore, x equals to 2 is a singular point because at x equals to x equals to 2, p and q are not analytic. So at x equals to 2, so x equals to 2 is a singular point. So option A is wrong, option B is true. Now, for regular singularity, we have a standard norms like x minus 2 into px at limits x equals to 2, x tends to 2, some should be exist, but here we see that limit x tends to 2, p x minus 2 into px equals to limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 into px का वैल्यू अगर हम लोग पुट करेंगे so 3 2 into x minus 2 square. So this will cancel out because at x tends to 2, so x not equals to 2, and this gives limit x tends to 2, 3 by 2 x minus 2, and this is does not exist, does not exist. So therefore, x equals to 2 is not a regular singular point, regular singular point, because हम लोग को कंडीशन क्या पता है रेगुलर सिंगुलर पॉइंट होने के लिए x minus 2 into px as well as x minus 2 into square qx both should be exist as limit x tends to 2, बट यहाँ पर पहले ही हम लोग देखे कि x minus 2 px does not exist. That's why x equals to 2 is not a regular singular point. It's a irregular. So x equals to 2 is a regular singular point? No. So x equals to 2 is not a regular point. So B and D are only true. Okay. So this is a simple question from differential equation. So B and D are true. Thank you.